Masquera saying Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa gara ka subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi muri Zimbabwe takwigirai nyaya yabuditswa the National Prosecuting Authority of Zimbabwe yabuda ichitaura iyo moswa yabatwa na Mike Chimombe pamwechete na Moses Mpofu. Abudisa a brief on the case ya Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu. So what Twitter Abuda Ashara Chiti is a statement by the National Prosecuting Authority on Moses Mpofu and Mike Chimombe's case. And the Harare businessman Moses Mpofu 49 and Mike Chimombe 43 appeared before the Harare Magistrate Court facing fraud charges. Allegations are that the accused persons forged a Zimra tax clearance certificate and a NASA compliance certificate in the name of Black Private Limited and attached them in a bidding document which they submitted to the Minister of Lands, Agriculture, Water, Fisheries and Rural Development for a tender for the supply and delivery of goats for the presidential goat pass on scheme. They misrepresented that the company was in full compliance with the Zimra and NASA requirements. Investigations indicated that the QR code and the reference on the NASA compliance certificate were issued to a different company. It was further established that Black Private Limited was deregistered from the NASA system in January 2016. Further investigations established that Black Private Limited was issued with a Zimra tax clearance certificate for the year 2021 and that the QR code on the forged tax clearance certificate belonged to a different company. Acting on the misrepresentation, the Minister of Lands contracted Black Private Limited on the 3rd of November 2021. The ministry transferred 900 million Zim dollar and 600 million Zim dollar at the 21st of April 2022 and the 29th of June 2022 respectively into their bank account. The total amount was 1.6 billion and was equivalent to 7 million USD. Following delays in delivery of the goats, the Ministry of Lands officials made several engagements with the accused persons. The accused persons misinterpreted that they had mobilized 32,500 goats across the provinces which were ready to be distributed to the beneficiaries. However, a verification process revealed that the accused persons only had 3,713 goats in their holding sites. The ministry cancelled the contract on the 29th of August 2022 following the discovery. The accused persons only supplied a total of 4,200 goats valued at 331,000 USD and went on to convert 7,380,751 to their personal use. Nothing was recovered. They were remanded in custody to tomorrow for bail hearing. Tisingazie kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi asi ndo zvabuditswa ne the National Prosecuting Authority muri Zimbabwe zvichireva kuti vaviri ava vari in court of fraud muri Zimbabwe. Taura kwatiri kuita Mike Chimombe and Moses Mpofu vari kuramba vachitaura ivo vachiti they are not part of this company yerunzi Black yakairi involved in this deal muri Zimbabwe the presidential goat scheme. The news rocks yabuda ichitaura iyo ichiti the businessman Moses Mpofu and Mike Chimombe arrested this morning over the US 88 million presidential goat scheme to supply more than 6,000 goats over a 5-year period. They have been remanded in custody to tomorrow. They are facing charges under the Money Laundering and Proceeds of Crime Act. The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption says the two were paid $40 million but did not deliver. But Mpofu says they only got $4 million through the Black Livestock and Poultry Company before the goats tender was terminated by government. He says Chimombe was not a principal but agent on the deal. Mpofu and Chimombe's case was postponed to tomorrow. On top of this court case, the two are facing charges of fraud and money laundering under a different corrupt US 40 million Zimbabwe Electoral Commission elections tender scandal. Those are Buddha Store and the News Ox, but Zimbabwe Shinzo Vira, Ramiro Zakari, ne another issue, ye ne another case, ye Zek, Mre Zimbabwe, I see the presidential spokesperson by George Charamba, Arundi Aruramba, but she defend corruption, Mre Zimbabwe. The News Ox, Yabuda Chorayo cheating. While corruption tainted civil servant George Charamba, who is President Emmerson Mnangagwa's spokesperson, continues to defend corruption, fraud, and venality at the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission exposed by the media through a tender scandal revelations rocking the discredited electoral body. More evidence and skeletons are tumbling out of the closet. The scandal has sucked in the office of the President and Cabinet. Chief Secretary to the Cabinet, Martin Rushwaya, Central Intelligence Organization Director General Isaac Moyo, and ZEC Chairperson Priscilla Chigumba, as well as local businessmen Wikno Chivayo, Moses Mpofu, Bedside Scott Sakupwanya, and their South African counterparts, Thomas Michael Tusat and Angus Kalo. Charamba, an unprofessional civil servant paid through taxpayers' funds, who engages in toxic conversations, hiding cowardly behind ex-Twitter wars, attacking members of the public and journalists, is especially spewing venom at the newsworks for exposing the $1 million scandal and many other endless instances of corruption, incompetence, and government failures under his boss. Buddha Stowa and the newsworks George Charamba is continuing to defend corruption scandals. I think that's what I'm going to say. Two days of Mufunga. I'm sure you mu comment section pane video ralika pa social media Mike Chimombe achibuda achipinda mu track ye vasungwa akananga ku Central Prison mu Zimbabwe. Tudati mungoona video mwamatiza mukufunga pa msoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.